Welcome to Sata Max guys. Today we continue with the question number 9 in exercise 1.4 of class 12 NCERT. Fine. So what is the question? Let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers. Check for commutative and associative. So the domain Q is given, that is rational numbers is given. So we have to check for commutative and associative. Fine. So first one is A star B is A minus B. Okay. So we check for the commutative first. So we will take any two rational numbers 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Okay. So A star B is A minus B. Okay. So that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 3 minus 2 by 6. So that is 1 by 6. Let's check for B star A. So B minus A. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So 2 minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Therefore star is not commutative. Now we will check for the associative. So associative we will take three rational numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. So first we go for 1 by 2 star, 1 by 3 star, 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 star, so this is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 2 star. So 4 minus 3, so 1 by 12. Okay. So again 1 by 2 star, 1 by 12. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12. So this is 6 by 12 minus 1 by 12, that is 5 by 12. Okay. So now we will check for 1 by 2 star 1 by 3 star 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 star 1 by 4. So that is equal to, so this is 1 by 6. So this one we got 1 by 6 star 1 by 4. So 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So the LCM is 12. So 2 minus 3. So what we get? Minus 1 by 12. Therefore star is not associative. Coming to the second Roman, A star B equal to A square plus B square. So let us take two rational numbers. So whole numbers also rational numbers. So I am taking 1 and 2. So A star B is A square plus B square, that is 1 square plus 2 square. So 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 plus 4, that is 5. So B star A, that is B square plus A square. So 2 square plus 1 square, so it is again 5. So therefore star is commutative. Now let's check for the associative. So 1, 2, 3, that is 1 star, 2 star, 3. Okay. So 1 star, what is 2 star 3? 2 square plus 3 square. So that is equal to 1 star, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So now 1 star 13, so 1 square plus 13 square. So 1 square is 1, 13 square 169. So what we get? 170. Okay. So now we'll check for 1 star 2 star 3. So 1 square plus 2 square star 3. So 1 square plus 2 square 5 star 3. So 5 square plus 3 square. 5 square is 25 plus 3 square 9. So what we get? 34. Okay. So both have different values. Therefore star is not associative. So coming to the third Roman, A star B is A plus AB. Okay. So let's check for the commutative. We will take two rational numbers. So 1 star 2 is 1 plus 1 into 2. So 1 plus 2 it is 3. 2 star 1 is 2 plus 2 into 1. That is 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Therefore star is not commutative because both have different values. Now let's check for the associative. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 star, 2 star, 3. So that is equal to 1 star. What is 2 star 3? So first value plus product of the both values. So that is equal to 1 star 8. So what is 1 star 8? So first value plus product of the both. So that is equal to 9. So now we will check for 1 star 2 star 3. So 1 star 2 is 1 plus 1 into 2 star 3. So 3 star 3. So 3 plus 3 into 3, that is 9. That is equal to 12. So both are different values. Therefore star is not associative. Thanks guys. Like, share, comment and subscribe.